Hello everybody, it is Andrea, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. Pardon me for the bumpiness. Again, I forgot my handheld tripod, the mobile one. But it's a beautiful day as the sun kissed upon my face. And just asking you, do you love numbers? Do you love reading? Do you love cooking? Or are these some of your vices? Some of the events and activities that you don't like? Well, you know what? I decided I do not like numbers, okay? It's difficult, it's tedious, and most of my math teachers didn't have the patience because I couldn't get it, so I didn't do well. There was one amazing math teacher that made it fun. So what did I do? You know me, Miss Professional Organizer. I created a binder. I studied and researched, along with my mentors, have provided me with formulas. And the formulas made it simple. So with my arts and crafts techniques, I made a colorful, organized highlighter, sticky note, pencil, pen, amazing formula binder on how to make it fun. And that's what it's about. So if you find a task or an activity that you don't like doing, laundry, dishes, accounting, cleaning up, numbers, reading, find a way to make it creative and be innovative with yourself to make it fun. It will be that much more pleasing. You will be that much more able and willing to complete the task. And hey, you never know. You can find an innovative and creative way to make it fun that you can make it teachable and applicable and fun for everyone. And that's what it's about. Taking the tasks that are mundane, that people don't enjoy doing, and making them fun. And on that note, pardon the wobbliness, my name is Andrea, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, your personal accountability coach, bringing you daily content every day, saying, don't worry about it. Have fun and press play. Plan life according to you and make the skills that are unfavorable and unpleasing to others fun, and then you can teach and apply. And on that note, I will see you in the next video. Be well.